In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate LinkedIn images in n8n. We'll walk through setting up a workflow that allows us to easily generate professional LinkedIn images using OpenAI's powerful image generation capabilities. Whether you're an experienced user of n8n or a complete beginner, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. To start, open your n8n application. Once you're there, click on the option to create a new workflow. You'll want to give this workflow a clear and descriptive name. Let's call it LinkedIn Image Generator. This name will help you easily identify your workflow in the future. The first component of our workflow is a trigger. Triggers are essential as they determine how and when your workflow gets started. You have several options here. If you're testing, go with the manual trigger. However, if you plan to generate images at regular intervals, you might prefer a schedule trigger. For real-time image generation triggered by other applications, the webhook option is ideal. Next, let's create our image prompt. This is where you'll decide what kind of image you'll generate. Add a set node to your workflow and create a field named prompt. The prompt is essentially the request you'll be sending to OpenAI. For instance, you can use a prompt like, create a professional LinkedIn banner about artificial intelligence with a modern office background, blue color palette, clean typography, and space for a headline. You can also make your prompt more dynamic by incorporating variables. For example, create a LinkedIn promotional image for JSON product using a modern, minimal style. This method allows the prompt to adapt based on different data inputs. Now we're ready to add the OpenAI image generation node. First, add an OpenAI node to your workflow. You need to select images as the resource and generate image as the operation. Don't forget to connect your OpenAI credentials. This step is crucial for accessing the image generation service. Once your credentials are set up, it's time to define the parameters for our image. The prompt should be set to singular JSON.prompt. To pull in the text we've already configured, you'll have the option to set the size of the image. A common choice that works well for LinkedIn images is 1024 by 1024 pixels, but feel free to use any other supported size that fits your specific needs. Decide on the number of images you'd like to generate. For simplicity, start with just one. Finally, execute the node to generate your image. With that, your image is ready, and you'll see the power of combining n8n with OpenAI's image capabilities. It's a straightforward yet effective way to create professional-grade LinkedIn images tailored to your specific prompts. Hopefully this guide has given you a clear understanding of how to create LinkedIn images directly in n8n. Give it a try and watch your productivity skyrocket. Thanks for watching and happy image generating.